Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create custom Windows 11 ISO file. So let us start. Now go and type Windows 11 in Chrome browser and download the Windows 11 ISO file.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth?
Now you should type MSMG toolkit and go to downloads and click on download.
Me and you. Can we talk about me and you?
Now open Chrome browser and type 7-zip. Now click on the first link and click on download. As you can see, 7-zip exe is downloaded. Click on it and click on install and close it. It will be installed. Now right click on toolkit 12.2 and extract the files on it. Now as you can see, the toolkit 12.2 folder is ready. Now select the ISO folder and open it and paste the Windows 11 ISO file. Now go back and select start CMD. Now click on A key and it will accept. Now click on any key to continue. Now click on 3 key to extract the ISO image. Now type the name of the ISO image. Now you should go to the ISO image folder. Now click on the ISO folder and right click on the Windows 11 ISO image and copy the name and go to the CMD toolkit which is running now and paste it on it. Now it will start extracting the file. Now the extracting has been finished. Now click on any key to continue. Now we should click on one key to go to source and click again on one key. So now we can select the ISO image. So there are 11 editions in Windows 11. I am going to select the Windows 11 Pro edition. Now to select an Windows 11 edition, you should type the index number and press enter key. Now you should click on Y key. So now I am disabling the hardware checker and Windows updates from Windows 11 ISO file. To apply the changes, you should click on file key, then you should click on 2 key to save changes, and you should click on Y key to tell yes, and one more time you should click on Y key to tell yes. To make iOS file image, click on 6 key, then you should click on 1 key and enter the iOS volume label. You can write any name. Now your iOS image file is ready.